22 तारखेर रातीकडे तुळसकरवाडी लागसार मोपा लिंक रस्त्याच्या फ्लायओव्हराचो प्लास्टर पडून काय गाडये डॅमेज जाल्ले। कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरान तेन्ना पुलीस कागाळ नाका गाडये सारके करून दिता म्हूण खंय गाडयेकारांक उतर दिवन विशय सोपयल्लो। मात उपरांत गाडये सारके करून दिवंक वा पैसे दिवंक कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराचो न्हयकार। गाडी डॅमेज जाल्ली विनिता नोरोना प्रुडंटाकडे उलयली। तिच्या गाडयेक खंय 83,000 खर्च आयला।
They called this construction guy. He came and he was like, okay ma'am, we are sorry, we will fix your car and we'll just settle it. Don't put any police report right now, etc. etc. So I also said, okay fine. If somebody's just fixing the car and they're really apologetic about it, then we asked them what they'll do for safety. They said, no, we will figure it out. We were like, okay, they said all that. We took a written from them saying that, okay, they will fix 100% of the car and everything. They suddenly saw the estimate which came out from them and they just refused to pay. And when I spoke to their director asking him that, what are we going to do and all.
कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरान कांयच सेफ्टी मेजर घेवंक नाशिल्ल्यान अपघात जाल्ल्याचे विनिता सांगता।
They don't care. They're like, okay, there will be collateral damage and they don't care if the collateral damage is somebody dying or somebody's car getting hurt or some major accident happening. They know there will be collateral damage and they're okay with it. There's no safety measure, no net, nothing, and it is just passing the road and I was driving. What if something would happen? Nothing. No remorse, no compensation, not even saying like a sorry ma'am, this has happened.
ह्याच लिंक रस्त्याचे काम सुरू असताना काय महिन्या फाटी एक्सिडंट जावन सुकेकुळण म्हणटा थंय एकलो सोंपिल्लो। मात ते उपरांत अजून सरकार जागे जायना। परत एक्सिडंट। प्रुडंटा खातीर श्याम सुंदर फडटे।